I am going to record this session. Okay, so students, I am holding some flowers. What are these? What are these? What are these? What are these? These are flowers. Okay, you know that flowers are the most one beautiful part of the plant. Yes. So, can you see some what? These are male and female reproductive organs are there. Yes. So দেখা পাইছে নে এই কোনবা দেখা পাইছা someone sound is coming কারবার sound come আহি আছে so all of I request all of you to silent to mute your audio. Okay, so I am holding some flowers. Okay, and you know that these flowers are the main reproductive organ of plants. Yes, so a full bath will call this is a flower. Our school of police, okay? So you can see there are some male and female reproductive organs are there. Okay, so this is another flower. This is one type of flower and this is another flower. Okay, can these flowers be pollinated? A flowers will pollinate hobo pare na noy. Can these flowers be pollinated? Pollination can be occur or not in two different flowers. Yes.
No.
Why not? Exactly. Yes. No. Pollination can be occurred in two different flowers also. With the regular flowers, also pollination occurs because when the pollen grains of the female reproductive organ falls on the stigma of the female reproductive organ, then pollination occurs. Okay. So you can see here in this flower there are two types of pollen grains are there. This one is the bogaga dekhe eta hoche female reproductive organ and male reproductive organ hoche ei bostu thik ache. This is the male reproductive organ. Okay, so jetia moi ki koru ei je jibla grains jibla ache no pollen grains jibla kisman ache. So in this female reproductive organ kisman pollen grains থাকে আৰু এই pollen grains বিলাক যেতিয়া বেলেগ এটা ফুলৰ স্টিগমা পৰিব দেখিছানে এই pollen grains বিলাক যেতিয়া এই বেলেগ এটা ফুলৰ স্টিগমা যাব তেতিয়া কি হ'ব pollination occurs. pollination হোৱাৰ পিছতে কি হয় fruits হয় আৰু কি হয় fruits হোৱাৰ পিছত কি হয় seeds হয় বুজি পাইছানে understand?
Yes.
Are you understand? Yes. So students, you got to know that earlier video I told you that plants reproduce in two ways. Plants reproduce in two ways. Okay, plants reproduce in two ways. One is from seeds and another from what? And another from body parts. Another from body parts. Yes. So I have discussed how seeds are formed. Seed bila chemical form hoy moi tomalogo hikaisu je jetia duta flowers or major ki hoy pollination hoy hoar pasote ki hoy seeds bila formation hoy. Seeds are formed after the pollination of flowers. Yes, so those flowers that pollination not occur jibla flowers or pollination no hoy ei flowers bila kon seed no hoy thik ache. So today's main discussing topic is body parts. How the plants reproduce with the help of body parts. Yes. So in earlier video what which part of the plant are called vegetative parts? Vegetative part kunbilako koy. Now you tell me plants reproduce with the help of vegetative parts. Please now you tell me, Nisha to tell me which part of the plant is called vegetative part?
Sir, the eyes.
No. Roots. Stems.
The stems.
Stems, yes, stems. Roots, stems, leaves, and buds. Yes. So these are the vegetative parts of a plant. You heard? Vegetative part of a plant. Roots, stems, leaves, and buds. From these parts, plants also produce new plant from these body parts. Roots, stems, leaves, and buds. Yes. Any question?
Sir, what is the meaning of buds?
Buds means a new, you know what? So I am going to draw one bird. Okay. Okay. First you do. Okay, Dixit, you see here. So in between the leaf and the stem. So if you observe, যদি তোমালোকে এটা প্লান্ট চোৱা প্লান্টৰ তোমালোকে কি দেখিবা in between the junction of plant and leaf plants আৰু leaves ৰ মাজত এটা কি থাকে plants আৰু means plants আৰু leaf ৰ মাজত যিটো মাজত এটা সৰু সৰুকে এটা কি দেখা পাব কি দেখা পাব এনেকুৱা এটা বস্তু দেখা না this is called buds that is from here it is going to form a new plant we have a new plant all over ঠিক আছে So detailedly I will discuss about today how roots, stems, leaves and buds of a part of the parts of body from the body parts of plant reproduce. Okay. So you now answer me. Nisanto, can you think that the from flowers are new plant ho pare? Do you believe that? Nisanto, do you believe that from flowers are new plant?
Yes.
Yes. Now you tell me name one
Yes.
plant. Yes. Name one leaf from where new plants can be grown. Liver, can you tell me? Joelty, name one leaf from where the new plant grows. New plant grows. Yes. Oh, have you not seen the video here? Bryophyllum. দুপৰটেঙা পাত শুনিছানে তোমালোকে দুপৰটেঙা শুনিছানে তোমালোকে কোনে শুনিছা কোৱা ভিডিঅ' কোনে শুনিছা
কি
দুপৰটেঙা পাত শুনিছানে দুপৰটেঙা মেবি নলবাৰীত বেলেগে হ'ব পাৰে হা কাৰ ঘৰত আছে
শুনিছো কিন্তু দেখা নাই স্যার
yes So, Bryophyllum has some buds. So, this is you have asked about buds. Okay. So, this leaf Bryophyllum has some buds. Bryophyllum has some buds in the margin of this flower. Bryophyllum er ekdom jidal margin hoy no, ei margin er kisman enuka ki thake horu horu buds enike mane buds grow hoy horu ki thake buds grow hoy. If you observe the leaf, these are called buds. These are called buds. Small. Yes. So these are the buds. These are the buds of the Bryophyllum leaf. Okay. So Bryophyllum leaf has some buds in the margin of this. Yes. So a platform jodi ami ki koru moisture of soil moisture ki koru soil jodi ami soil moisture. So if this flower, you know what, fall on the soil moisture. এই যদি পাতখন আমি কি কৰো soil moisture আমি ধুনীয়াকৈ কি কৰো sunlight, water, গোটেইবিলাক বস্তু আমি ধুনীয়াকৈ বস্তুটো মাটিত থৈ দিওঁ ইয়াৰ পৰা কি হ'ব পাৰে এই লিফখনৰ পৰা আৰু কিছুমান নতুন প্লান্ট গ্ৰো হ'ব পাৰে ঠিক আছে so that means what plant can also yes
Sir, what is soil moisture?
Soil moisture means what? So তোমালোকে কিছুমান soil কি হয় যে বহুত ড্ৰ হৈ থাকে মানে তাত কিছুমান যিবিলাক water content বা তাত যিমানখিনি water content থাকিব লাগে কিবা হয়নে that means what clay soils are not clay soils doesn't have any moisture so moisture তোমালোকে like whenever you are going to plant any plant যিকোনো প্লান্ট যেটা তুমি ৰুবলৈ গৈছা তেতিয়া তোমালোকে কি দেখো মাটিটো কি কৰিব লাগিব ধুনীয়াকৈ তোমালোকে প্লাউ কৰি ল'ব লাগিব হা
Voice is not clear.
Please again tell me what is
Voice is not clear. clear.
কোনে কৈছা? Who is speaking?
Voice is not
Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
clear.
Huh?
Danny.
Loyani কৈছা? Oh, voice is not clear.
Yes.
এতিয়া শুনিছা নে? এতিয়া শুনিছা? Now you are listening? Now you are listening? Are you listening now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That means I have to sound so much louder. Okay, that means what I am going to select. Soil moisture means water contained in the soil. Soil of jiman pani thakibo. Okay. The soil also need right amount of what? Right amount of nutrients, water. বুজি পাইছেনে? যিবিলাক soilত nutrients থাকিব, water content থাকিব, সেইবিলাক soilক কি কয়? Soil moisture বুলি কোৱা হয়। ঠিক আছে? যদি আমি এই biofilm পাৰ্টটো কি কৰোঁ, if we drop this biofilm on the soil moisture, then from the margins of this flower there are some
Yes, the soil to moisturize for
yes, exactly. যেতিয়া এই পাৰ্টটোৱে soil moisture পাব, when this plant will get the soil moisture, then these buds can grow into a new plant. So each bud can grow into a new plant. বুজি পাইছেনে? So that means what? From the leaves.
Yes.
From the leaves also, a plant can reproduce from the leaves also. Okay. Next, tell me how the roots can grow. How the roots? Okay. Students, have you noticed potato? Potato তোমালোকে ভালকে দেখিছানে? Potato. If you have observed a potato carefully, so there are some scars. Okay. So potato gat তোমালোকে এনেকে কিছুমান আঁচ দেখা পাবা. Okay. These are some scars. Prabal, have you noticed a potato carefully? No, yes. So a potato has some scars on it. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Eyes. These are called what?
Eyes.
Eyes. So these are some scars. A potato has some scars on it, and these are called eyes. So these eyes can grow into a new plant. So you need to do what? Okay. So what I'm again telling that a plant can also reproduce from the roots. Roots means this potato is also one type of roots. Okay. This potato is also one type of roots. So if you observe carefully on the surface of a potato, yes, you can observe some scars on it, and these are called the eyes. Okay. So if this potato is মাটিৰ তলত যদি তোমালোকে কেইদিনমান পুতি ৰাখা আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি ধুনীয়াকৈ তোমালোকে পানী দিয়া ইয়াৰ পৰা কি হ'ব, ইয়াৰ পৰা নতুন আকৌ ইয়াৰ পৰা প্লান্ট গ্ৰ' হ'ব, ইয়াৰ পৰা আকৌ কি হ'ব, প্লান্ট গ্ৰ' হ'ব। Bidi, understood? Bidi, you are getting it? Are you getting it, Bidi? Are you getting it, Bidi? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Please respond to me. Are you getting it? So, but this potato is mainly grows from the vegetative propagation. So these body parts, the plants that grows from these parts, root, stem, leaf, buds. যিবিলাক প্লান্টছে roots, stems, leaves, buds এবিলাকৰ পৰা কি হয় নতুন প্লান্ট সৃষ্টি কৰিব পাৰে, তাকে কি কোৱা হয় ভেজিটেটিভ প্ৰপাগেশ্যন। কি কোৱা হয় ভেজিটেটিভ প্ৰপাগেশ্যন। Okay, what is called it vegetative propagation. So which type of propagation is called vegetative propagation? The plants reproduce from the roots, stems, leaves and buds.
Buds.
It's called vegetative propagation. Okay. So there are some artificial method are there. There are some artificial method are there like cutting. Okay, CUTTING, cutting. So
What is the meaning of propagation? Vegetative propagation.
propagation, yes. Well, vegetative propagation means when a plant can reproduce from the body parts like what stem, leaf, buds, yes. So those are called vegetative propagation. মানে যিবিলাক প্লান্টছে তাৰ ষ্টেমৰ পৰা বাডছ বিলাকৰ পৰা ৰুটৰ পৰা আৰু ষ্টেমৰ পৰা নতুন নতুন প্লান্ট সৃষ্টি কৰিব পাৰে তাক কোৱা হয় ভেজিটেটিভ propagation. ঠিক আছে নে? Okay, so there are many type of artificial method are there. There are artificial means क्या है? Man-made, है? So these are naturally है. These are naturally. Roots, stems, leaves.
Natural.
These are naturally है. इसका क्या है? Naturally है. So these are naturally है. This propagation occurs naturally from the roots, stems, leaves, body parts. So buds. Okay. So these are some artificial method are there for the reproduction of plants. This is called cutting. Okay. So
Cutting.
rose tree তোমালোকে দেখিছা নে? Rose tree.
Yes, sir.
Rose plant দেখিছা নে?
Yes.
Yes. Suppose rose plant. Okay. Rose plant কি আছে ধৰি লওক ইয়াতে বহুত ব্ৰাঞ্চ আছে। Okay, ইয়াতে বহুত ব্ৰাঞ্চ আছে। ঠিক আছে? Okay, so I am drawing a rose plant. Okay, so can you think the branches, that means the stems of this rose plant, can also grow into a new plant? Do you think that the stems of this rose plant can also grow into a new plant? How does this happen? That means how? We have to cut the stem. Of a rose plant. আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব এই rose plantor কি কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াতে যদি আমি কাটি দিও কাটি পেলাই যদি আমি কি কৰো এই যেটো এটা আমি কাটিছো ইয়াত কি কৰিছো কাটিং কৰিছো we are cutting a rose plant in this portion. Something not connecting with the what? Not connecting with आपने delegating activity नहीं है ना? मुझे मोस्ट में लिखे Yes. So this is a cutting of a branch of a rose plant. Okay. This is a cutting of rose plant. Okay. So you have to cut this branch of the rose plant in such a way that there is a note present in this cutting. So আমি যে যেটো এই প্লান্ট এই পার্টটো কাটিছো এই পার্টটো কোৱা হয় কাটিং বুলি কোৱা হয় this portion of this plant is called the cutting ঠিক আছে so এই কাটিংটো আমি কেনেকৈ কাটিব লাগিব we have to cut in such a way that there should be present a note okay you understood what means note মানে তোমালোকে কি বুজি পোৱা নাই Nishanto, do you understand what means note
No, sir.
note NOD note
No, sir.
note so আমি কি কৰো আমি রোজ প্লান্টৰ এটা ব্ৰাঞ্চ কাটি দিছো আৰু হেতু কি কৰিছো মাটিত পুতি থৈছো ঠিক আছে তেনেকে নহব পাৰে তুমি কাটাটো ধুনীয়াকৈ কাটিব লাগিব you have to cut in such a way that there should present a note means what okay
The leaves.
yes a leaf are there rose is the what knot means and knot is a part of the tree in which a leaf arises. A node is a part of a tree in where a leaf arises. So কি কৰিব লাগিব মানে তুমি যিটো পাৰ্ট কাটিছা সেই পাৰ্টটো এটলিষ্ট এখন হ'লেও পাৰ্ট থাকিব লাগিব ঠিক আছে you can see here a leaf দেখিছানে a leaf তো দেখিছানে I am drawing a knot what is called knot okay suppose this is a cutting of branch okay this is called node this is called what node at least there should be one leaf on the cutting বুঝি পাইছেনে so a node means what a part of the stem where at least one leaf are there বুঝি পাইছেনে সত্যম বুঝি পাইছেনে Satyam, বুঝি পাইছেনে? So now I am going to ask some questions. You answer me here. Okay. এতিয়া তোমালোকে মোক answer দিবা. ঠিক আছে? So now I am going to ask some questions. You will answer me. Okay. So, Liban, you answer me. What type of propagation is in the, you know what? A potato becomes a plant. A potato produces a new plant. What is called the propagation? What is called the propagation? Key propagation is what? A potato becomes a new plant. What is the type of propagation? What is the type of propagation?
The buds?
No buds no. Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. মই আকৌ বাৰে বাৰে তোমালোকক কৈছো যে again মই বাৰে বাৰে কৈছো যে চোৱা
Vegetative.
প্লান্টস বিলাকে দুটা টাইপত কৰে প্ৰথমতে সিডৰ পৰা কৰে আৰু বডি পাৰ্টস কৰে চোৱা
Our body parts.
বডি পাৰ্টস কোনবিলাক পৰা ৰুটৰ পৰা কোনবিলাক কৰে ৰুটৰ পৰা কোনবিলাক
Stem.
Carrot. Which plant reproduces from the root? Carrot.
And radish.
Yes. Carrot, ginger, potato.
Sweet potato. Sir, radish.
Yes.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Yes. Stems are
Rose.
Lips are brown. Which lips? Lips are brown. Lips. Bryophylla. Yes, exactly. And buds.
Potato.
Onion. Okay.
Garlic.
Okay, now you name one plant.
Garlic.
Okay, garlic also, yes. Now you tell me the name of one plant where we can grow a new plant from the method of cutting.
The rose.
Yes, exactly.
Rose.
Yes, rose. So, now I am going to start. The next topic of our discussion is crop. The next topic of our discussion, crop.
Crops and their types.
Crop. Yes. crops and their types. Okay. Students, you know that our country is a vast country. So you listen first carefully. First you listen carefully. What is going on? Yes. Oh, you know that our country is a vast country. You can see some mountains. You can see some desert, plains, plateaus, and what? Sea coastals. So our country is a vast country. You know there are different types of landforms are there. Okay? In every part of our country there are different types of crops grow. বুজি পাইছানে আমাৰ কান্ট্ৰি মানে বেলেগ বেলেগ জায়গাত কি হয় বেলেগ বেলেগ ক্ৰপছ বিলাক কি হয় গ্ৰো হয় ঠিক আছে সো first you tell me which type of what is the main crop of our state Assam our state Assamত কোনটো বেছি crop বেছিকৈ হৈ পোৱা in state Assam what is the main crop no rice is the main crop that is grown in the state in our state Assam yes okay so you know that these crops depend on the different climatic conditions yes the crops that grows in a particular place যিবিলাক plants মানে কি হয় যিকোনো এটা particular place of যিবিলাক grow হয় এটা কিহৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰে climatic condition ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰে বুজি পাইছানে the crops grown in a particular place depends on climatic conditions that means how much rainfall occurs how much temperature is there how much humidity are there how much atmospheric pressure that means different criteria ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰে যিকোনো এটা এৰিয়া কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ plants হ'ব সেইটো কিহৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰে ক্লাইমেটিক কন্ডিশনৰ ওপৰত কৰে বুজি পাইছানে these factors above these factors atmospheric pressure how much rainfall occurs there precipitation how much humidity means how much water content is there in the soil yes how much temperature বুজি পাইছানে so this criteria temperature atmospheric pressure and rainfall humidity these criteria are different in our country মানে বেলেগ বেলেগ জায়গাত কি হয় climatic conditions to বেলেগ হৈ যায় যেনেকৈ আমাৰ the climatic condition of our Assam is what very wet you know বহুত বৰষুণ হয় ইয়াত সেই কাৰণে কি হয় ৰাইস টু ইয়াত গ্ৰো কৰিবৰ কাৰণে বহুত বেছি কি হয় সুবিধা হয় because ৰাইস হ'বৰ কাৰণে কি লাগিব the soil should be loamy soil and what loamy soil that contains much moisture যিবিলাক soil water moisture ৰাখিব পাৰে আৰু য'ত nutrients বিলাক বহুত বেছি আছে তাকে loamy soil বুলি কোৱা হয় what is going on yes okay so listen to me carefully what I am going to say is that so what these crops are dependent on climatic conditions what the crop that grows in a particular place depends on the climatic condition of that particular area yes so Loini, you tell me the crop that grows in one particular place depends on what কিহৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰে Loini, you answer me the crops listen to me carefully the crops that grows in a particular place depends on what কিহৰ ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰে I am asking to Loini if the plants nobody are you listening to anybody could answer it just tell me what does your the plants that grows in a particular place depends on what
your voice is not clear sir
soil not yes soil over depend but mainly climatic conditions soil is one another very much important factor but climatic condition is a very much important factor okay So now I am going to take crops and what cropping season in India. This way for a minute. And the climatic conditions here. Okay, these crops are divided into 3 types. Okay, the crops that grows in our country depends are 3 types. Okay, one is kharif. One is what? Kharif. And another
Kharif.
is rabi
Rabi crop.
and Zaid. Okay, so these are the 3 main types of crop that grows in our country. What are the 3 types of crops? You tell me the.
Kharif crop, Rabi crop, and Zaid crop.
Yes. These are the 3 main crops that is grown in our country. Okay. Someone is turning on his voice. Please off. Turn off your speaker. Okay. Loini, you are listening to me? Loini, muk shuni paisa ne? Loini, ete shuni paisa ne? শুনি পাইছে এটা ভালকে শুনি থাকা যে আমাৰ কান্ট্ৰি যিগলা ক্ৰপ হয় মেইনলি হয় খাৰিফ ৰবি এণ্ড জাইদ ওকে this kharif crops in mainly grows in autumn season. This kharif crop grows in mainly in autumn season. Yes, and this rabi crop mainly grows in winter season. Yes. And this diet is called some vegetables. These are grows in only rainy seasons. Okay. That means what? The crop that grows in our country depends on the what? Climatic conditions and the season. Beleg season কি হয়? বেলেগ crops বিলাক হয়। যেনেকৈ খাৰিফ কেতিয়া হয় অটম সিজনত হয় রবি কেতিয়া হয় উইন্টার সিজনত হয় and zaid zaid this grows in mainly rainy seasons. Okay, so
Rainy season.
rainy